Hi, Lee Goldberg here with Inside Smart Cities at the 2018 Global Tech Jam with Vinay Rao, who's representing RocketML. You're the CEO, and you've
That's
got
right.
a new way of approaching AI and applying it to smart city applications.
Absolutely. Building AI requires a lot of data and a lot of compute.
Yes.
And typically, most of the data scientists are building AI applications are doing it on their laptops and limited compute paradigm. And most of the algorithms that are out there in the market today are built for the limited compute paradigm. So at RocketML, we want to promote abundance compute paradigm.
Now, what's the difference between limited compute paradigm and
Abundant compute paradigm.
yes?
In the limited compute paradigm, your CPU, memory are all limited. You can only do machine learning on it on a certain level of data set, which for all practical purposes not very useful. But when you actually want to do serious machine learning and build serious applications for smart city, AI applications for smart city, you would need to crunch a lot more numbers,
Yeah.
lot more data.
Right.
For that, you need abundance compute.
Okay.
And we hook up abundance compute onto the cloud infrastructure so that you get the experience of using a supercomputer.
Okay.
And that is what RocketML is all about.
Okay. That and a slightly different approach to what AI is.
So once you build the machine learning is used to build an AI model, and then you deploy that AI model into smart city applications, be it a light or a signal or camera or whatever. So that's the process of building.
And let's give one example. Let's talk about one specific example of the kind of AI application for a smart city.
Okay. For example, let's say that you want to do a traffic vehicle count of an intersection,
Right.
and you put a camera up there. So you want that camera to automatically count the vehicles, identify the vehicles, and do a bunch of other stuff with it. And in order to do that, you need a lot of data collected first and built a machine learning model. And that model can go back into the camera, and the next time around when a vehicle passes, it counts and identify what kind of vehicle it is and whatever we have designed into that AI.
So you would learn from it and actually smarten up the camera.
That's right.
And how does that differ from what's being done today?
So today, there are some solutions that are come together, but the challenge today is that crunching all that massive amounts of video data is the bigger problem. So as a result, so the models that they put, the AI that they put along with the camera are not very sophisticated. They're good progress from the previous ones, but they can be improved. And that's the next stage of the battle.